Okay guys, in the follow-up we get on with the work and see how things are. Here we have used a line, but the line on its own does not accept any color in a gradient format, as we have already explained. As you see, it is a solid color here. We can give it any color that we want, like this or this one, but so that we give it a linear looking, guys, we need to use a rectangle here. That is, if I have this here, I move this down just a little bit so that I get the desired angle and change it like this. Now I can apply my linear gradient on it. So let's just do that and apply it. Okay, so here it is changed to BL. Okay, don't want it to have a border. Let me delete the line here. I zoom in to see how things are. That's the way it looks now. Okay, here in fact I can change this just a bit to the left. Here it is what I had intended. We can improve the aesthetics of the work a bit, just like that. That is, we can make some improvements on the way it looks. We can give it a corner radius as an example to make things more exciting and more appealing. Okay, that's it. Now we get to the section where we are going to have the background. But how is the background going to be designed? It's very simple. What we need to do is we just need to make use of this tool. We draw a triangle. I set it triangle here, and for the round corners I use the corner radius 50 and here 100. Okay, that's it. As well, like this, I rotate this, set it here. Okay, and of course we need to increase the size to get the intended design that we have on our minds. Okay, that's up to here. And now let's see what we got and how things are. Okay, exactly up to here. It has been extended. The color that we have here, it uses this color like that, completely white. But what is it doing here? It is not. I move this here. Okay, just like that. And now this is the exact color I was looking for. Here I make a copy from this. I apply the changes. Alright, I set them here. This one is set here. Okay, I add the color code to it, and we saw how this operation is done in the previous projects. Here I delete the border just as we did before, and now what we do is to choose send to backward in the arrange section. Okay, we're gonna arrange it. This item needs to be sent to back like this. So up to here we have designed the background like this, and now we can set it here like this, so that we have the similarities. Okay, let me increase the size just a bit like that, like this. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, I've removed the layout to see how things are. I need to decrease the size so That's what I do. Okay, and now I can move it over here, up to here. Okay, I need to decrease the size more, and here, so that I can get what I want. All right, let's see. Okay, very well. I save up to here, and now let's see. Of course, we need to extend this up to here. Okay, I got this. That's over here. This triangle turning rectangle like this. That's right. And we make it a little smaller. Move it this one to here. We can move it down a bit so that we can have it like this. Okay. That's what we got up to here. I can set it here, and of course this one I can move it forward a bit. I can zoom in to see what I'm doing. Rectangle, that's right. Good rectangle always comes in handy, never forget that. Set here, and now I have achieved what I had on my mind and what I intended to do, exactly what I was looking for. As you can see, based on our desires, now I have achieved it. Okay, very well. Okay, I save up to here to see what sections we need to take care of next, and we get to the objects that we have here. If you pay attention, we need to set one of these over here, but I copy this one first and set it here. I decrease the size and set it right there. Okay, this one needs to be set over here. Okay, I got these here, these items that we have right there, one by one. We're gonna take care of them just like that. This is a background that we have designed once, and these are very simple. It is a rectangle, and we can easily design them as well. Alrighty, quite simply, in order to save some time on our schedule, not waste any more time on dealing with details that we have already been working with and you have already learned. I make a copy from this, paste it over here, and now let's see this one like this. Okay, I set it here. Imagine how boring it would look if you didn't do that. Terrible. Very well. Okay, now let's see what we got. This is the background that I was looking for, and the other parts that I had here, I set it here. So this is what we intended to design. Of course, we can decrease the size just a little bit. Okay, let's see, so that it matches the initial design. We set it exactly